Hey guys, welcome back, and I'm currently scalping volatility index 75. It will be a short trade on 1 minute time frame. See how volatile is this bank. I show my today's trade. Or just index 75. I lost it here this trade because of short stop loss. That's my mistake. That was my mistake. And always used the smallest lots in volatility index because it is so volatile. It can wash away your whole account. So it's risky. And this last trade, I lost it. Just watch it. This is just hit and run. Take your profit and run from the trade. Oh my god. Maybe we should leave. Buyers are trying to push the price up. Oh yeah. Hope this 50 EMA will be a resistance. Yes. Yes. Yep. I need a red candle after this. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, no problem, no problem. It will be a red candle. Yes, yes. Come on. Yes, baby. Yeah. I need to recover my $22 loss here. Just be with me, guys. We'll definitely take profit from this trade. Yeah, $15. Oh, come on, baby. Just give me a sign. Oh. Yes, come on, baby. Yep. Oh no. Oh shit. See, this is a little consolidation zone here. Price is consolidating here. What the hell is my with the internet? Shit, baby. Boom and boom, boom, boom.